Hey, I'm Harley with Ohio Power Tool, and today we're taking a look at the brand new Festool Planex drywall sander. First things first, it is just a good looking piece of equipment. It comes with a Gen 3 sustainer already fit for the Planex, so every piece has a home and organization will be no issue. The new generation Planex long reach sander is revolutionizing drywall construction. The all-around LED light ring works like a built-in raking light, revealing any unevenness during sanding. The Planex also has a random orbit sanding motion which produces outstanding surface quality without any expensive reworking. The adjustable suction power, variable working length, and clever T-handle ensure ergonomic work on walls and ceilings, making the tool easy to control even during long periods of operation. The adjustable suction power against the wall and ceiling reduces the load on the arms and back during all sanding work. The working length can be quickly adapted to the working environment using a single lever for full flexibility in tight spaces and with high ceilings. When combined with the CT36 dust extractors, low levels of dust are created during work to protect your health and keep the site clean. Another big plus is the brushless EC motor, which is extremely robust, long-lasting, and maintenance-free. Weighing in at 8 to 10 pounds depending on your attachment, the T-handle definitely helps when using this thing all day. Combined with the suction, it takes most of the weight off the tool when in use. I mean, in theory, I could just walk away from it with the right amount of suction. Well, there you have it. The new Planex is available May of 2021, or you can pre-order right now at ohiopowertool.com. As always, thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and ring that bell to stay up to date on all things Ohio Power Tool.